In this video, you will learn 5 ways to set up your audio in your hybrid meetings. Hybrid meetings combine in-person and online participants into a single meeting experience. We're going to start with a few budget-friendly solutions and work our way up to higher quality and more flexible solutions as we go along. My name is Markus. I am a hybrid meeting expert. Check out my online class, Master Your Hybrid Meetings, with the link in the description below the video. The first and most obvious solution for audio in a hybrid meeting is to use the built-in microphone and speakers in the laptop that you're using to run the meeting. The audio quality is not going to be the best, but using your laptop is a great way to start. You may actually be surprised how well the microphone in your laptop will be able to pick up the voices of everybody in the room, even if they're sitting further away. This is an audio sample of the built-in microphone in my Lenovo ThinkPad X250 at approximately 1 meter's distance. This is an audio sample of the built-in microphone in my Lenovo ThinkPad X250 at approximately 5 meters distance. Using the laptop is also a risk-free way to try out hybrid meetings before you go and invest in expensive equipment. The next level up from here is to use a cheap microphone and set it up on stage so that there is a specific area in the room where you have to go and speak. This is actually how I started my hybrid meetings. I clipped a cheap lavalier microphone onto this mic stand and connected that to the laptop, and that handled audio in. Audio out was handled with this Bluetooth speaker, which I connected with the Bluetooth connection to the same laptop. Another solution is to mount a more substantial microphone to that mic stand. In this case, this is the Samson Q2U. It's actually the same microphone I'm using to record this video. There are links to all the products I'm talking about in the description below the video. One benefit of this approach of having a dedicated speaking area is that the microphones will typically pick up the voice of the speaker only and not any of those side conversations that may be happening. The third solution for hybrid meeting audio is to use a conference speakerphone. The default in my hybrid meetings these days is the PolySync 20. Previously, I've used the Calisto 7200, which was the older model from Poly. Using a conference speakerphone is super flexible because you can connect them either with the USB cable or with Bluetooth, and that means that you can place them anywhere in the room. They've also been designed to pick up the voices of everybody who is in the room, so you don't have to go to a specific speaking area with this setup. This is an audio sample of the PolySync 20 at approximately 1 meter's distance. Microphone check 1 2 1 2. Microphone check 1 2. This is an audio sample of the PolySync 20 at approximately 5 meters distance. Microphone check 1 2 1 2. Microphone check 1 2. One thing I also like about the PolySync 20 is that it is dust and water resistant, which is great in case of accidents on the meeting room table. Another benefit of a speakerphone like this is that you can also connect it to a smartphone via Bluetooth. I made a whole video about my last such experience. Check it out with the link in the description. Getting value? Hit the like button. The fact that the conference speakerphone picks up the voices of everybody in the room is not always a good thing. Sometimes people are whispering around the table, and the next solution actually allows us to solve that problem. In this solution, we are using a boundary microphone. This is the MXL AC-44. The way this microphone works is that it's designed to pick up sound only from the front of the microphone. So if I place this in front of me on stage, it's only going to pick up sound from this side, and it's going to reject the sound coming from the back here, and that could be people whispering around the conference table, for example. This is an audio sample of the MXL AC-44 at approximately 1 meter's distance. Microphone check 1 2 1 2. Microphone check 1 2. This is an audio sample of the MXL AC-44 at approximately 4 meters distance. Microphone check 1 2 1 2. Microphone check 1 2. The MXL AC-44 is only a microphone, so I would connect it with a USB cable to my laptop, and then I would have to have a secondary speaker for the audio out. Now, that could be the Bluetooth speaker that you saw before, that could be the speaker in your projector, or maybe in your TV. The next solution is to hook up your hybrid meeting to the PA system, the public address system in your venue. If your venue already has high-quality microphones, speakers, and mixing desks, I recommend that you consider using them. Here's the mixing desk that I use at my comedy club, and it can look a little bit intimidating with all these sliders and knobs. But with all of these modern mixing desks, you can actually connect them to your laptop with a USB cable, and that is actually what I've done in this photo as well. When I connect the mixing desk to my laptop, it will show up as a microphone and a speaker in Windows, and then I can just run my Zoom meeting through it. In just a moment, I'm going to share a bonus tip that's going to help you level up your hybrid meeting audio. If you want to go deeper with me on the topic of hybrid meetings, check out my online class, Master Your Hybrid Meetings. Just go to markuspresents.com/hybrid or use the link in the video description below. And here's that bonus tip. Always make sure to ask your online participants how they are perceiving the audio. If the audio is really bad, they will let you know anyway, but if it's kind of mediocre, there's a good chance that they will not say anything. Therefore, I recommend that before the meeting starts, you always ask how the audio is coming through. Oftentimes, there is an easy fix that you can execute, such as just moving the microphone closer to the speaker. One of the biggest potential audio problems in hybrid meetings is audio feedback or echo. To learn how to get rid of audio feedback, click or tap the screen right here. In that video, I will show you how to solve your echo problems on Android and on iPhone. Thank you for watching. My name is Markus, and I will see you in the next video.